Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bureau County in north central Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ohio to Princeton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Ladd, Lamoille, Ohio, Cherry, Malden, Seatonville, Arlington, Dover, Veering, Casper, Van Oren, and Bureau County Fairgrounds. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 53 and 69. Interstate 180 between mile markers 12 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Lee County in north central Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Walnut to near Lamoille, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woodhaven Lakes around 3:50 p.m. Sublight around 3:55 p.m. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows,